What's up? Lord Dude with a toot here, bringing you guys a new video. I'm being phase rug right now, but I am bringing back a new video for you guys. And this video is my new nerf gun, which I said in last video that I would open the nerf gun, but I didn't open the nerf gun. But I'm gonna show you it today. So the review is gonna be today. And this video, we did not hit 30 views yet, so I'm going to try to get 30 views this video, so please do that. And please make sure to share this video too. Just a real quick reminder, but please, my Nerf gun's right there. I have ammunition right in my living room over there. If you guys want to see that, post that in the comments below if you guys want to see the ammunition, but that's not that interesting, so I don't think you guys will want to see, but I'll do it in 20 seconds. Okay. $17, $18, $19, $20. Alright guys, this is it. It's the AK-47. Look at. This is a small kind AK right here. As you guys can see, it's the AK. It's automatic, but I do the long barrel. I just searched up Nerf guns. I found this Nerf gun. I recommend you should buy that Nerf gun because it only costs $26 and it's prime, and I just got it today. So yeah, you guys can grab that if you want to. I'm not saying like you have to buy it because it costs money, but yeah, you guys should buy the AK-47 Nerf gun, dude. It actually looks very cool. I think it's only like 3.5, like two stars. But I ordered it, and it's actually a very good Nerf gun. You just need to add batteries right into it. It might not shoot, but actually, if you like hold it and then you just go like that, you just like, it's like the M14 if you guys know what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna start making longer videos as I go on, and this is my stage where I'm trying to get very, very famous, because I want to hit about 100 views the end of this summer right now. So, because, you know, I just want to have a growing YouTube channel. I want to, like, make daily vlogs. I want to get, like, you know, cameras, but, like, I might just use this because I think it's really good audio. It's just a phone. If we can, as you guys can see, it's just a phone. But yeah, it's really good audio. I'd say, oh, that looks sick. It's just a mirror reflection. See, I can move this there. So yeah, I recommend you guys get that Nerf gun right back there. But little dude with a toot. Turn on that gray notifications bell. Comment, like, subscribe on this video. Share the video. Let's get 30 views. Let's get 60 views. We're going for 60 views, and peace.